Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Fashion. How are you doing today? Hope you are doing fine. Hope you are doing great wherever you're watching this video from. In this episode, I have brought together a collection of beautiful Ghana weaving hairstyles. You'll be seeing beautiful, classy and super stunning Ghana weaving braids for black women. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about these hairstyles. If you're a lover of Ghana weaving braid styles, let me know that in the comment section down below. And if you enjoy watching this video, do well to like the video and share this video with others so they get to see this amazing hairstyles collection. If you are new here, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell to get notified when there is a new upload on the channel. Thank you so much everyone as I leave you now to watch this video till the end, and I'm going to see you in another beautiful, exciting and interesting episode on the channel. Remember to stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.